Hey, welcome back to TapRooT TV. I don't know about you all, but COVID sure is changing a lot of things for a lot of people. And it is for us too. We're putting on, slowly phasing in during our training again, and people are constantly asking us what we're doing to make sure that people stay safe and sound while all of this is going on. It changes rapidly, so we're trying to change with it. So Ken Reed is going to come in just a minute, and he's going to talk to you all about the things that we're putting into place to make sure that everybody stays safe and sound while they're at a TapRooT course.
Hi everyone. As Bennett mentioned, we're getting back into our courses. We're teaching both public and on-site courses now, but we want to make sure that everyone, including the instructors and the students, are comfortable with the current situation and that we're all being safe while doing this. This isn't something we take lightly. We've done a lot of research and we've done a lot of discussions amongst ourselves. We've canceled a lot of courses that didn't make sense. All in the hope and the plan of keeping everyone in a safe condition while at the same time helping to improve their improvement programs. It's not something we can just skip right now either. It's important to keep your employees safe, not just from COVID, but from the normal things that they're doing at their jobs. So TapRoot's here. We are still available to do courses, and we are teaching. Some of the things that we're doing to help out with that, for example, our class sizes. We're limiting our class sizes to much smaller classes to allow us to have much larger distances at the tables, so students aren't sitting on top of each other. Lots of opportunities there to stay away from each other. We're encouraging everyone to wear masks at the courses. It's not something we can necessarily enforce 100%, but it is one thing that we are putting out to encourage everyone to wear a mask at the courses. Additionally, hand sanitizer is going to be available. The hotels have upped their cleaning requirements, so they're in there at least once a day, but most of them are doing several times a day, going in and doing cleaning and doing extra things in the bathrooms and in the rooms. Our exercises, we do a lot of exercises during our courses, and we've had to modify that a little bit. We are still doing a lot of exercises, but they're going to be individual. We're not going to be doing group exercises with everyone clustered around a snap chart anymore. Additionally, there are some of the on-site courses that we're doing now are putting some of their own requirements in place. So if they have, for example, they'll have separate breakout rooms at some of these on-site courses. So different things that you might think about as you're planning an on-site course with us that you may want to try out also to again, we're trying to keep everyone safe, but at the same time be able to put out some good information here. We won't be teaching in hotspots. For example, we had to cancel our Houston course recently as that ended up having a spike there in COVID cases. So we did cancel the Houston course and let all the students know about that. So obviously we don't like doing that, but again, safety is paramount to what we're doing. I think that covers most of the things that I wanted to hit up here. We'll have again, we'll have 6-foot tables, so just one person at a table helps us actually measure out that 6-foot social distancing as we're going through that. So again, if you have other concerns or other questions, please don't hesitate to let us know. We are, at this, as Ben mentioned, this is a really fluid situation, and we are not going to do anything to compromise anyone's safety. So we'll have these courses out, available, and we'll take any feedback or anything that you wish to have with us. So. Our next course, our next public course, is in St. John's at the end of this month. That course is still on and ready to go, and that one's even a little bit different because most of the people all live in St. John's, so it makes it a little easier. There's not a lot of travel there. We try to keep all the instructors so they don't have to travel either. So a lot of things that we're doing in the background to keep you guys safe. So let us know if you have any other questions, and if you're ready to set something up, we're happy to help out with that. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, Kim, for that great information. As you can see, we've been putting a lot of thought, a lot of meetings have gone on, a lot of them virtually, all kinds of things that have gone on lately to make sure that we can do this safe and sound for you. Because just like he said, you know, your program, your improvement program, it's still important. It's still something that needs to happen. And we also are taking into consideration whatever your local guidelines are in your communities and things like that. We also have things you can do if you're not able to get to courses. We have, and you've been TapRooT trained, we have some supplemental courses that you can take online. These are live webinars. I think we have one that is a on-demand webinar, and you can find that on our store. And everything else you can find on our website at taproot.com, and just go to our courses pages, and there's a webinar a button there, and you just click that and you can find out all of our webinars we have coming up. Registration does wind up about 24 hours ahead of time, so you want to make sure you don't wait till the day of to register for those webinars. But we want to keep you all safe and sound, but we want to keep teaching you and helping your program. So like Ken said, let us know any feedback you have, any ideas you have. I mean, we're interested to hear from you and how we can keep things going for you. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, follow us on all of our social media platforms, and be sure to sign up for that newsletter so you can get all the upcoming information. With courses changing quickly, you definitely want to be keeping up to date with what's going on. Thanks for joining us.